I'm on the way, we ain't got no time to waste. Papa, yo, come on the way, and mine away. I don't want pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Over the I'm coming for ya, 'cause I need is to make it
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog and today we're going to cook chicken liver. Where are we going now?
We're going to Palengke.
I'm going to cook for her because look, she gave me. Thank you so much. Love you, Beth. I love you. Come with us. See you there. Sobrang init ngayon, guys. Outfit check, guys.
Outfit check.
Grabe, sobrang init ngayon.
Super hot. Like us.
Yeah, agree. Look, it is 32 degrees. It is so hot. It's already 1:32
It's already
p.m.
1:32.
All the meat shop is already closed. We have to find
Aww.
another one. Aww. We're gonna buy ginger, onion, and garlic right now. Pagbilan po. Pagbilan po. Walang tao, guys. Bad news, guys. Kasi sarado na. We need to ride a tricycle to go to the other wet market. And that is 20 minutes away. Sabi nila, 18 pesos daw isa. 18 or 19 pesos. So, let's go.
Pati ako stress na din.
Ayan, sasakay kami ng, pupunta kami ng tricycle. Ayan. Puno.
Tayo sasakay.
Ganon. Doon pa. Uy, wait. Nagkabungguan pa kayo. Doon pa yung sakayan ng tricycle. Ang dahil ng lalakaran namin. And look, naka-heels pa ako, babe. Kasi wala akong sinela. Sige, kuya. Kasi palengke lang kami. Opo. Nilipat kami
So
sa
stressed,
terminal.
guys.
Yes, napaka-stress. Grabe. Kasi tignan mo naman, tanghali na kumilo.
Ito na, guys. On the way na kami sa Pasig Palengke. Kaso nga lang, medyo far from here. Kaya tis-tis muna.
Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need
Ay,
my
pakit mo na kami.
love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night.
Thank you po. Libre lang kami sa terminal. Thank you, kuya.
Pasig Palengke.
Tignan mo naman yung tricycle nila, guys. Doon tayo. We have to pay 18. Naliglag yung earphone ko. Ay, ito pala. Oh, yung phone. Nalaglag yung earphone ko kasi. Dalawa po kami.
Sakay ka muna.
Kuya, ito. Thank you. Okay lang. We're here in Pasig Palengke. Hindi ko kabisado to, guys. Hindi ako taga dito.
Actually, hindi ko rin siya kabisado, pero bigla na make tanong-tanong na lang.
Pagbilan ng isang kangkong, 20 na. Tapos, eto, bawang. Magkano sile? Isa na ito. Sibuyas niyo magkano, kuya? 25? Thank you po. Magkano, kuya? 50 plus 20, 70 plus 10, 80. Magkano sa luya niyo? Ay, per kilo siya? 200 kilo. Pag ito lang, isa lang. 10, sige. Bali 90. Thank you, kuya. Ano yung mandara? Oh, struggle is real. Sabi niya, guys, ayoko na, puro struggle. Na-stress si Dora. Ano bibilin mo?
Uy, this one. I love this turon. Lagyan mo dito. Oh my God, wala. Madali na. Ito na lang.
Wala, hindi pwede. Free taste po yan. Thank you po. Uy, kailangan ata natin ng oyster. Pwede po kumuha na lang.
Can we taste?
Opo. Masarap?
Ito po all-purpose na po siya. Pwede siya pang marinate, pang braise. Pwede din siya pang... Masarap.
Ano po mas better? This one or...
Ano, same lang naman po, ma'am. Yung dalawang
Kunin mo na yung dalawa.
Sorry po.
siya. Meron kami sweet and spicy and soy garlic. Sarap niya.
Pretty. Eh, ang sarap.
Pwede naman siya pang braise. Pwede din pang... Malaman to.
Thank you po. Kumuha ko na ng dalawa.
Sorry po.
Wow. Mga 1/4 lang.
One word na.
Oh, 1/4. Ayan, tanong mo kung 1/4 na yun.
Yeah.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, baby. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. Need you. Let me be the one to give you everything.
That is Toron.
I teach you how to
Taste test. Ah. Ah.
Sarap. Obe!
This is what you call Toron. May kumakawal. We also bought this avocado. We were going back home na guys. Look, ito yung mga pinamili namin. Nakasanan pa ako. Tingnan mo naman naka-heels ako habang namamalengke kami. I have to cut the vegetables. I'm gonna steam this one. Is this what you call kangkong? I'm gonna wash this and then I'm gonna cut the onion, garlic, and chili, ginger. remember. Ano? Living in your life. Oh, inip. Next is chicken liver and gizzard. Yun. Walang takip tong ano, be?
Kailangan.
Lagyan natin ng half cup of water. And then, wait lang natin siyang kumulo para lumambot yung liver and gizzard. Lagyan natin ng suka. So, wala kaming oyster sauce. And nakita namin to. Style meat sauce. Pang samgyup siya eh. Pero try natin lagay sa... Next, soy sauce. More cubes. How do we go back to being friends? We just... Next is sile.
Need you. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A very good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you. No one above you. Love her. This love to nobody. Love her. All another nigga. Love her. I wanna be your lover forever, forever. This might seem strange, but let me know I'm out of order for stepping to you.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Let's eat, let's eat.
I mean, video to, picture to.
Mama ba? Ate, masasabi niya sa luto? Thank you so much po.